I've had several really bad dentists. My teeth have been seriously over-drilled, and I've now reached a certain age where they're just falling apart. But I didn't want dentures, I didn't want a bridge, and my NHS dentist at the time said, "Got a really good guy right upstairs. Why don't you go talk to him about implants?" And I did. I met Colin, and I've stayed with him ever since. My experience of the practice is that it's like, it sounds so trite to say it's like a family, but it is like a family. You walk in, you know the people, they know you. It's a very caring practice. It's very difficult to find a caring dental practice, but this one is. I would recommend this practice to anybody, because if you couldn't get in to see Colin, Ian would be fine. And I have felt so safe with them, because I'm a total coward. I'm the world's worst patient. So I really have to trust my dentist. And that sort of, the whole patient vision of treating a patient, for me is perfect.